In this video, I want to share how to use the Insta360 Go for continuous recording using the interval shooting function for recording video. Watch me walk you through the main steps for setting this up, and to be sure to watch to the end so you get all the details on interval recording and my secret tip. Hi, my name's Sarb, Johal, and thanks for joining me. If you're new here, think of me as your guide at your side and on your side too. And you know all the things about liking and subscribing, but do comment too. Hey, I'd love to know more about what you think about this video. Cheers. One of the things about the Insta360 Go is that it takes a maximum of 60 seconds of video in any one segment, and then you'll have to press the button again to restart recording, either on the device itself or via Bluetooth control on the app. But what if your hands are full? Let's say you're riding on a motorbike or on a mountain bike or something else actiony. Well, you won't necessarily want to be trying to click the button then. Or what about if you're doing something over a fairly lengthy period of time and you just want a sample of what's going on? Maybe just throughout your day rather than having to think about getting your phone out to record or picking up your Go to click it. Well, that's when continuous recording, or more accurately, interval recording, could really help. Now, using the app, you can set the Insta360 Go to sample record over different periods of time. This means the Go will switch itself on for a recording session, record for either 15 or 30 seconds, you can choose between one of those two options, and then it switches itself off, ready to record when the next interval time is hit. You can select the interval between recording sessions from a few different options. Those are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 and 30 minutes, as well as longer intervals like 1 hour, 12 hours and even a whole day. You can also set the total recording length time from a total time of 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 5 hours, and a total of 10 hours altogether. So let's summarize that. You can set recording length of time per session, 15 or 30 seconds, intervals between recording sessions, and the total recording time of all the sessions total together. Now, once you set the Go going by pressing shoot, it will start to record and collect footage on an interval basis in your album until you run out of battery or you decide to go back into the menu and cancel the shooting but choose a different mode. So I set the interval going at every 10 minutes for a few hours today and then let the Go do its thing. And here's what I ended up with as a 21-second flash cut story. Check it out. And don't forget to keep watching to see my secret tip coming right up after this. So that's what you can do. And for those of you still watching, here's my secret tip. You can use the quick capture function with a short press of the Go button to capture footage that catches your eye at any time you want. When the camera switches itself off at the end of your quick capture, it carries on with the continuous interval recording schedule that you've set it to follow. Now, this is really handy if you just want to capture something extra, but you don't want to have to go back into the menu to set the intervals recording again. It just carries on doing its thing. You haven't cancelled it, you've just added something extra. Hey, I hope that really helps. What do you think? I'd love to read your comments and talk about this in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Remember to like the video if you liked it, subscribe for more videos, and click notifications so you know when I've posted more. And if you like this video, you might like one of these too, also about the Insta360 Go. Cheers and go well.